You may not realize it, but whenever you create an adaptive release, you are creating a rule. A rule is specifying one or more conditions. Rules that you have created on an item are viewed by selecting Adaptive Release Advanced from the Context menu. Rules make it easier to manage adaptive releases, and by combining rules, you can create more advanced conditions for adaptive releases. For example, rules provide a quick way to view all the criteria associated with any adaptive release on the item. In this example, you see a summary of the types of conditions that belong to this rule. In addition, rules provide an easy way to delete the entire selective release. Select the checkbox beside the rule and then click Delete. In the pop-up message, confirm that you want to remove the selected rule by clicking OK. Rules make it possible to use either/or types of conditions on adaptive release. The adaptive release we created previously in the video tutorial using adaptive release in Blackboard included date, user, and grade center criteria. By including specific criteria in one rule, we were saying that the student must meet all three conditions in order to see the assignment. What if we wanted to configure an assignment so that students who meet one or more conditions could see the assignment? For example, we may want to release the assignment to a particular student in the class or to all students who have completed the quiz. Any student who satisfies either condition will be able to access the assignment. To accomplish this, we need to create two rules. First, we would create a member rule to make the assignment available to an individual student regardless of whether he or she has completed the quiz. We click the Create Rule button and either assign a name or accept the default name, then click Submit. In creating a rule, you must specify whether the rule is based on a date, membership, or grade. Hover your cursor over the Create Criteria menu, and for this rule, select Membership. Now we follow the procedure we used earlier to select the student to whom this assignment should be released. To see all the students, click Browse, then select the student to whom the assignment should be made available, and click Submit. When we return to the rule page, we see that our release condition is now included in this rule. We could use the Create Criteria button to add a date or grade conditions to this rule, but we would be telling Blackboard to release the assignment only to those students who meet all conditions. Since we want to release this to students who meet either condition, we will need to create a second rule. Click OK to return to the Adaptive Release Advanced page. Click Create Rule and accept the default name or assign a new one, then click Submit. Hover your cursor over the Create Criteria menu and this time select Grade. Choose the Grade Center column associated with the quiz that you want students to complete prior to starting the assignment. Make sure that User has at least one attempt for this item is selected, then click Submit. Again, we do not want to add another condition to this rule, so we will click OK. Now this assignment has two rules joined by the word or. Students can access the assignment if they meet the membership condition or the grade condition. Meeting either one of the conditions will make the assignment available to them.